One of your final assignments in this class is writing a professional cover letter. This assignment is going to be done similarly to the last two. You will submit your cover letter, it will be peer reviewed, and then you will submit a revised cover letter. There is a video about cover letter writing tips. I like the video a lot. I just want to point out two things that I would not do that are done on this video. The first thing is the address of the sender is done in double space. I would never double space anything on a letter. The second thing is the writer writes his letter to Susan, and I don't think that's appropriate either. Even if you know that person very well, I would still address them by their formal title in a cover letter. Mrs., Dr., Ms., or one of those professional titles would be great. More tips on resume or cover letter writing are done in the PowerPoint for cover letters. And you might also want to check the rubric before you actually write your cover letter so you know what you're going to be graded on by your peers and by me once you finish. The assignment is to write a cover letter based on an internship that you might want and that your resume is tailored to. So please write that, submit it on the workshop, have your peers review it, and then once it's reviewed, submit your revised cover letter on the date that is listed on the syllabus and the assignment calendar. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Have a great day.